nature for a safe future. Nurture the nation for a safe future and green today for a better tomorrow. Green today for a better tomorrow. Good afternoon to one and all present here. Myself, Captain Kaushal of Class 9, would like to tell you all a speech about Dear Future Generation. The Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April every year. As you can see there, the theme of the Earth Day this year, 2024, is Planet versus Plastics. Dear future generation, I think I speak for the rest of us. Sorry. Sorry that we have left you in a mess of a planet. Sorry that we were too caught up in too many things to do something. Sorry that we listened to the people who made excuses to do nothing. I hope you forgive us. For example, you probably know what is Amazon desert, do you? Well, believe it or not, it was once called the Amazon rainforest. The forest was covered with billions of trees and they all were very gorgeous. Oh, I can see something. You all must not know about trees, do you? Well, let me tell you something. These plants are here. They literally, we breathe the air that is created by them. They clear the pollution from our environment, our carbon, store and purify water. They give us medicines to cure the diseases of our bodies, and the food they give us to fill our stomachs. But I'm so sorry to tell you all that we burned them down. We cut them with those brutal machines. Oh, how horrific it is to see that. How horrific it is. At the rate of 40 football fields every minute, 50% of those trees in the world are gone. They are vanishing. Can you imagine that? 50% of the trees. In the last 100 years, which brings me a great sorrow to my heart that most of the people today don't even care about tomorrow. That's funny, right? I was joking. I'm sorry. And I'm sorry that we put profit to people, greed over their needs, and the rule of gold above the golden rules. I'm sorry that we spend nature like a credit card without any spending limitations. I'm sorry that we pollute the ocean this much that you and me don't have a chance to swim in them. I'm sorry that because of our mindset, we have been called out for this destruction in the world you can see today. Hey folks, news for all of you. If you don't think that climate can change over the threats, then I dare each and every one of you to go and interview the 1,000 homeless people in Bangladesh because their homes are washed away. Now they're homeless. They don't have anything. This is because of us, the today generation. I'm sorry, future generation. I'm really sorry to say that we haven't paid much attention towards our earth and to see how fast the ice is melting in Arctic. Ice, the pride of these snowy mountains, are now melting. They're shrinking. They're causing global warming. I'm sorry, future generation. I'm really sorry. But I want to say about the state of our environment today. We cannot take care of our earth properly. We throw so many things here and there. We don't take care of the earth, which causes an ozone layer, which is very harmful for our earth. We all tank.